Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's going to be a short shop tour today. A lot of you have been asking for it, so I'm going to show you today what's in the shop. I had just a little bit to come out here to see what's going on. We're going to look at some 3-valve Mustangs, new Mustang with a Roush supercharger, GT500, looking for a lot of horsepower, as well as a GMC truck that's going to be awesome, and an F100. So I have Doug with me. Doug, follow me around here. I have to tell you, okay, the shop's a mess right now. I know a lot of you that have been in the shop, you made comments, and you guys know you can eat off the floor in here. But it's busy time of year. This place is getting crazy. Doug, come over here. Take a look. California Special. So we have a California Special up here today, and this came in for a rear end build. But Doug, walk over here and see what's going on with the rear end on this. What's typically in a rear end build on a car like this. So if you have a 3-valve Mustang or 11 to 14 Mustang, we did the Mosier axles, Eaton True Track, 373 gears, the Ford Performance diff cover, awesome setup. And this already had some parts on it. So, of course, right here we have the Roush lower control arms. If you have an 05 to 14 Mustang, let's say it's stock and you're experiencing wheel hop, this is the #1 way to take care of that, all right? A set of lower control arms. And this already had the Roush on it. So really nice California Special, clean car. It's got the built rear end in it. And this is going to be a really sweet setup. We're going to go over here next, look at another 3-valve Mustang. So Doug, if you want to cut around over here, I'll cut through here. So this 3-valve right here is pretty typical of what you'd see in here. I know a lot of 3-valves come here and get superchargers. This is naturally aspirated. We just installed a set of Detroit rocker camshafts, as well as getting ready to go on a set of long tube headers with high flow cats. We did a set of our powder coated valve covers. So that's kind of like the typical setup. This had a smaller JLT older Series 2 cold air intake on it. That's 89 millimeters. We're hopefully, before this is finished, if the client would like it, we're going to install the JLT 110 millimeter because we have those in stock. That'll make more power in a setup like this with Detroit rocker cams instead of long tube headers. But we can use the old air induction system, but it's just kind of like one of those things. Honestly, the JLT Series 3 110 is not very expensive. Perfect time to put it on because when you write the calibration for this car, we can just write it for that. It'll be up and running. Next, check this out over here. Convertible Roush supercharged. So we got our 1820 Mustang right here. This is a convertible. This car has 12,000 miles on it. We're installing our Roush Phase 2. I'll tell you a little bit about this. 750 horsepower supercharger. It's not quite finished yet. The guys are on lunch break, so I thought it'd be a good time to run out here and take a look. When I see this right here, that means this thing's almost finished because we're getting all the coolant filled up. 750 horsepower. And the Roush Phase 2 kit includes a Roush 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty. So if let's say you go out and buy a 2021 Mustang and you're wanting 750 horsepower, the Roush kit is a good deal because it doesn't charge you for that warranty. It's a drivetrain. So it's 3-year, 36,000 through Roush. Can be handled at a Ford dealership. Can be handled here at Brenspeed, but I have this package on my car. I don't know if you watched that video where on my 19 convertible I have it. Went out, bolted on, stock convertible, run 10s. It was a killer setup. So that's it right here. We actually have these in stock. So if you have an 18 and up Mustang and you're looking for a little bit more power, we have these in stock ready to ship, in stock ready to install. Next, Doug, check this out. 2020 GT500. These are awesome. We're targeting 900 to 1,000 real horsepower. Doug, come take a look. Don't worry, I will do a video on this car in the future when we're finished with it. But we are doing a ported supercharger. It's not on it yet. We're doing the Joker's ported supercharger, doing larger throttle body, E85. We're targeting somewhere between 900 and 1,000 real horsepower on this. Already has a JLT air induction system, which I really like that cold air intake. That's a really nice air induction system, but that'll really complement the larger throttle body, the ported supercharger. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify, because that's how you're going to stay up to date. So when I release videos like on this right here, or on a couple other vehicles I'm getting ready to show you, you can just get the notification like boom, the video's out, and you can learn all about it. But this is a pretty cool car, kind of a crazy color. So the last GT500 video I did on a 2020, it was like the reddish color. This right here, man, it's in your face. This thing is awesome. I love it. Doug, why don't you walk around the back, come over here, take a look at this GMC. I know a lot of you know that we build a lot of Mustangs, we build a lot of F150s, we do a lot of Coyote swaps. But what we have right here is a nice, new, big GMC truck. You're not going to be able to see a lot on this because it's like really crowded in here right now. But 427 stroker we installed. Doug, you can take a peek down in here. You're not going to be able to see much. Ported heads, bigger camshaft. We're doing a Whipple supercharger on it. This thing's going to make a lot of power. Set of long tube headers. Has awesome like BDS lift on it. This truck is sick. So hey, you know what? We do other things besides Fords. But a truck like this is pretty awesome. So why wouldn't we do it? Stroker engine, Whipple. It's going to be awesome. I wanted to show you this right up here. You're not going to be able to see it very good. And again, don't worry. I will do more videos on this F100 right here, which is a really killer truck. You know, of course, Coyote swap, Whipple supercharged. And I'll tell you what, these trucks that we build like this, and honestly, most vehicles in general, are so hard to get parts for. So we've been waiting for a long time because of COVID, because of all these manufacturing problems for parts on this. Ton of parts just came in for this truck. So next week, we're gonna get a lot of progress done on it. And I can't wait to do a video on this and show you what this truck looks like. I've done a lot of swap videos. You may have watched those, but this will be one you're gonna wanna watch because this truck's gonna turn out awesome. Everything from underneath through the suspension, which looks absolutely sick, to the engine, to what we do on the interior. So I just kind of want to take a minute to come in here and show you, what we've been doing in here at Brenspeed. I just walked out in the shop today to show you like what's on the lifts, what's going on. Subscribe and notify. Hey, how do you get my vehicle built? Well, you email quote@brenspeed.com. Then you can leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Thanks so much for watching.